Hello all. In this session, we are going to solve a programming exercise question in C language. The question is, write a program to find the given number is odd or even. Use call by reference function call method. So basically the question is simple. We have to find out whether the given number is odd or even. The complexity in the program is that we have to adopt the method of calling a function with the help of pointers. So let us develop the flowchart first. In the main program, let us start with inputting a number, and that number has to be given to the function odd even. So odd even is called with the address of n variable. So the address of n variable will be passed to the function. So we get the result in the variable flag. Later on, we are checking whether flag equal to 0 or not. And if flag equal to 0, we have the answer n is even number. And if flag is not equal to 0, that time we go for the answer the given number is odd. Now let's see what is taking place in the odd even function. And in the function odd even, we have a variable star m. A pointer variable is used for storing the address of variable n passed from the main function. Now with the help of the pointer mechanism, we are going to access the content in variable m with the usage star m. Now when we say star m mod 2, we'll get the remainder of the contents that is stored in variable n. So if that remainder on applying modulus 2 operation is equal to 0, it means that the number is even. And if we end up with a non-zero, if we end up with a non-zero remainder, it means that the given number is odd. So in that case, we return 1, and if the remainder is equal to 0, we are going to return 0. So this is the strategy used within the function odd even. So let me repeat, we are applying the modulus 2 operator, so we get the remainder. If the remainder is equal to 0, we are going to return 0 to the main program. And if the remainder is not a 0, then we return 1 to the main program. So in the main program, based on what we receive, if it is 0, we give the answer, the number is even, and if we receive 1 in the main program, we print the answer as the given number is odd. Now let's see how to code the program. So this is the main program. So we are declaring the variables int n flag equal to 0. Next line is the prototype declaration for the function we are using. So please note int or even within bracket int star. That is all we have to declare the prototype for the function. Then printf enter a number, scanf ampersand n flag equal to odd even ampersand. Here again the address of n variable is passed to the function. And later in the program, once we have the content in flag variable, so we look what is the status of the flag. If flag equal to 0, we have the answer even, else we say the value is odd. This is the second half of the program, int odd even int star m. So star m is a pointer variable that will store the address of n variable. Later on, if star m mod 2 equal to 0, we return 0. In the else part, we return 1. So based on what is received by the main program, we deliver the answer. If 0 is received, we have the answer even, and if 1 is received by the main program, we declare the answer as the given number is odd. I hope the program is well understood to all of you. Thank you. Good luck.